Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Yahoo email account. So first, on your desktop, go to yahoo.com in your browser. This will open the Yahoo main page. And then click sign in. It's in the top right corner of the page to the left of the bell icon. Then click on sign up. Enter your account details, your first name, last name, email address, password, mobile phone number, birth date, and the gender. Now click continue. And then click text me an account key. Next, retrieve the verification code and type the code into the verify field. Click verify and click let's get started. And last, click mail. It's below the purple envelope icon in the top right corner of the Yahoo homepage. This will open your Yahoo inbox, which is set up and ready for you to begin using it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!